How to turn off age restriction on X. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open X on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then, in here, click on Profile. After you click on Profile, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on Edit Profile at the top. After you have clicked on Edit Profile, simply click on Birth Date in here. After you click on Birth Date, click on your birth date at the top. Press on Edit and change your birth date to legal age, like 18 plus or 21 plus. Then press on Continue at the top right. After you've done that, you can also go to the home page and click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen again. And scroll down in here and click on Settings and Support. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Security and Account Access. Click on Security at the top. After that, you can add your ID verification for age restriction as well. And this is how to turn off age restriction on X. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.